easy. Just let go. Let it all go. But I enjoy being a puppet. It's easy. You just have to let go. Let it all go. Yeah. Let it all go. Being a puppet is easy. Just let go.
You found it. Go on, give it over.
Keith first.
All right. It's through the door. You gotta hand it to the Chinese. When they disemboweled you, they did it in bloody style. Can you imagine getting shivved by this? Like Shakespeare stabbing him with his quill.
Keith. Please, no more. Please, I beg you. I can't take any more. Jason, you gotta get me out of here. I'm begging you, please. You gotta get me out of here, man.
I'm getting you out, okay?
Yeah? You promise? You gotta promise me.
Yeah, look, about that, mate. I am grateful, right? And, well, I'd really like to show my appreciation, you know. Proper. Like a man should.
You said we could leave, you fuck!
No, actually, what I said was, Keith could leave with you, but you're not going anywhere.
We're walking through that
You
door.
are what I say you are. Eh? I'll take your bloody if you like. I like my meat rare.
Joy! You sick son of a bitch!
This is some fucked up foreplay, huh?
Joy! You sick son of a bitch!
This is some fucked up foreplay, huh?
I've got you.
Jason? Are you sure he's dead?
Everything's gonna be okay. Come with me. I know a place where you'll be safe. Daisy, Lisa, and Oliver are here. You'll be safe.
Look, just don't tell them about this, okay?
I won't.
World is fucked, man. I thought I could handle my shit. And I can't.
Look, you'll come back from this, all right?
None of us will.
I'll get Riley, and we'll be back in Santa Monica in no time.
Riley's dead. I'm sorry. He tried to escape, and they shot him.
Keith?
Sorry.
Keith! Hey.
Hey. Not Riley.
Man, what happened to you?
It's a long story.
Let's get him cleaned up.
They killed him. Voss and Hoyt, those motherfuckers. Wasn't one brother enough? I'll get them. All of them. I swear.
Hey. Jason, what's wrong?
Riley's dead.
You need to process this. Why don't you stay here? I can help. I can take care of you.
Stop making this about us!
What are you talking about?
My brother just died, and I need to deal with it on my own, okay?
Okay. I'll be here if you need me.
My friend.
Welcome back, Jason. I had nearly forgotten your face. I'm glad to see you. The knife. It is in your hands?
I have it.
You return to us bearing that which has been lost. That blade spilled the blood of our ancestors. It has been conquered. The dead have been avenged. Come with me. Leave us. What is it you desire?
To save my friends.
Are you sure?
I want to kill Voss and Hoyt.
Once, long ago, there was a lotus pond filled with clean water. The bank composed of smooth sand, and the smell of blossoms moved the air. But a giant lived beneath the pond's surface, devouring any who came to its edge. A warrior from the northern kingdom, heard of the giant and vowed to slay him. He painted Tatao on his body and took power from the land of the dead. And when he was ready, he walked the path of the lotus pond. The giant rose from still waters, and the warrior raised his dagger. He cut the giant's head clean off its body. The skull of the giant fell to earth and became our island. The descendants of the warrior became the Rakya, our people. Now another giant has risen. Prove you are worthy of the Tatao. Help us free our captive warriors, and I will give you the power you desire.
I'll do it.
Then I will see you again soon, warrior.
My friend.
Jason, we are leading an attack against a convoy of prisoners taken by Vaz.
Wait, what's the plan?
An ambush. Go meet the men that you will be working with. They're in Churchtown. They'll be very happy to help you.
When I pissed, should have used the rubber. God, make it stop. Just one more hit. Oh! too damn hot. Someone just fucking shoot me. Interesting. It came from over there. Fuck. This heat.
Hey! Who's there?
Start searching!
Oh! Whoa! Hey! Fuck!
Motherfucker! Fucking shit! Have a drink! You're in for a world of pain! Run! Fire! When I find you, I need to run. I'm going to cut you. Keep playing with this bitch. I'll find you. Come out, wherever you are. Don't walk on me.